printIQ is designed to simplify your print business, from quoting and ordering to production and fulfillment. With our cloud-based managed workflow solution platform, you can access printIQ from any device: phones, tablets, PCs, Macs, or even a web browser. Our API connectivity means you can easily integrate with other best-in-brand partners. printIQ's staff training and onboarding process is a breeze. Your data is retained in the system, so you can ensure that important information isn't lost if someone leaves your company. But printIQ isn't just for your team. It also includes a customer order portal and supplier outsource portals. A streamlined dashboard-driven interface, you'll have full visibility and control over every aspect of your business. It's not just about efficiency. printIQ also helps you increase profitability and track job performance with full data control. So if you want to take your print business to the next level, look no further than printIQ. Try it out today and see the difference it can make for you. Surface your business data and control your future with printIQ. Intelligence at the core.